Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Hope we can you all hear me? I need to confirm if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Hello, can you all hear me? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, that's great. Good afternoon, everybody. Let's go get started. Let's go get started. This afternoon we are looking towards some news events that we are expecting by 2:30. We should expect high impact news on dollar, which is Berlin GDP, and also unemployment claims. So this news event is a very, very strong news that has high tendency of moving the market, especially the unemployment claim. So as usual, if it is written in green color or probably it is written in the forecast is the actual is bigger than the forecast for GDP quarterly, then dollar might experience some bullish scenario, but for unemployment claims, it has to be lower than the forecast. Okay. But the deck is just once it is written in red, just know that it is bad for dollar. Okay. If the actual is written in red color, just have that back in the mind that dollar is going to fall. Okay. Then we can now sell currencies like USD CAD, USD CHF, USJPY, USD ZAR, etc., and buy currencies like Euro USD, GBP USD, and all that, right? And also by 4 p.m., we are expecting another one called PCE, which is also a monthly scheduled news. Okay, it's also a monthly scheduled news. So look at you're expecting a high impact by 4 p.m. Also, we are also expecting another high impact. So let's look at what the chart is saying. If we could have um or probably an entry or signals that we can take this afternoon that can help us to take profitable trades. Okay, so let's start with GSX. So with USDX, start with daily time frame, right? So yesterday candle closed with rejection, and definitely we are still looking towards more sales for US dollar, and we're looking towards here, right? So I'm looking forward to more sales for US dollar down to 106.067. So 4 hours time frame as usual. We've had confirmation, although we had a gap and gap was, this gap was filled by this rejection and market is still moving to to the downside, right? So if I am to use my line chart, so if I'm to use my line chart, we have market um taking out this high and very close to this resistance, right? And market is rejecting this resistance. So definitely, I would just say we are heading down to 106.067 region. 1 hour time frame also says the same thing. We have this high taking, and market literally rejects to this high. So definitely, we have a break of structure. We just need a pullback to continue selling. So what we just need for this market at the moment is actual patience because we are in the retracement phase. We are in a retracement phase, right? So we just need an actual patience before we enter into any market. So I will looking towards for uh, my strong rejection area 106.087, 609. So if I see a rejection around this level, I am going to sell dollar, right? So I'm going to sell dollar if I see rejection around 106.069. I mean 609 region. So let's use this information to take some charts, look at some chart, also look at some pairs as well. So looking at USDJPY, it's been thoroughly confirmed that we are very, very bearish as this high was taken and this low was broken, right? So we have market taking out this high, right? And this low was kind of broken. So this is a very, very strong low. I'm going to take this as a very strong low, right? And if we look at it very well, what we need, it's we could expect one thing. At the moment, market can literally from here, push up. So market can literally from here, from this level, 151.558 on USJPY, push up. But because JPY pairs, JPY pairs is a universal pair and it's also a safe pair. What I mean is a quote currency, right? JPY is quote currencies. I would love to see a rejection around this level. If I see a rejections around JPY, US JPY, I'll see look forward to much sales. Okay. So let's see. This angle is a very, very important zone, right? Because market took out this high, right? And took out this low, this level, and we have a break here. So I'd love to see buyers coming in to this market. I'd love to see buyers coming in from here. Hopefully, we see buyers coming in from there and, you know, kind of form a very, very strong retracement before selling. But the overall movement is that the overall sentiment is dollar is quite bearish. Hopefully, it could be as a form of retracement or probably rejection, but dollar is quite bearish at the moment. So, what are we expecting for USDJPY? Because of where the USDJPY is, I will not look forward to buy again. I mean to sell. I'll look forward to buy, and I'll look for market to take out this high, pop something like this, take out this high, or probably take out this high, take out this high and retrace down before I buy. Okay, so if that did not happen, I mean, I'm still going to wait to see how the market will react to this level. Okay, so USJPY, we are quite bearish. We are on a strong support level, so we need markets to react or to probably reject before taking an entry. Okay, so let's look at the daily time frame for Euro USD. Like I said, I'm expecting some weakness for dollar, right? I'm expecting some weakness for US dollar. Okay, so on daily time frame for Euro USD, we have a rejection, and currently market it's at this resistance zone support area, which could also be served as a very, very strong rejection zone. And we also on 4 hours time frame, we've had this broken and we had a rejection. So if this market could not break this region, then we are going to sell Euro USD. Okay. So if it cannot break that zone, then we are going to sell Euro USD. So we still need to be extra patient. We still need to be extra patient at what market is doing. Hopefully, we could have a sell-stop order. We never can tell because I've not literally seen presence of sellers in this market. Okay, let's take this high, but in this low is protected, right? Notice taken in this low, and we can't take this as our high. So what I'm love to see, hopefully we could take a sell stop from here, Euro USD, sell stop, then TP, SL, then TP1 comes here, right? Then TP2 comes here. Hopefully this will work out. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So Euro USD, we could use the sell stop. Euro USD, sell stop at 1.05064. SL 1.05064. 0.05385. TP1 1.04755. TP2 1.04416. Okay, so I'm dropping this also on our funded client group. Dropping this also on our funded client group. We will soon stop to be dropping signals on these charts because on our live charts because um, for our funded clients, we will soon stop dropping signals here. Okay, we will soon stop dropping signals on our live analysis class. So for you to have access, you have to be a funded client. Okay, so you have to be a funded client so you can have access to our funded client group. Euro USD, Euro USD still stop at 1.05064 TP1 TP SL 1.05385 TP1 1.04755 TP2 1.044.04416. Okay, so that is that on Euro USD. Okay, so let's go to USD CHF. So for USD CHF on a daily time frame also, we're looking towards some market movement, and I'm leveraging on the retracement that we are expecting from the market. So I want to leverage on the retracement that we're expecting from the market, and that is why I'm going to literally look towards the other direction. Okay, I'm going to look towards the other direction for that. So we have a break of structure high, and we have this level. Okay, so for our time frame, you can see we have a solid rejection. And if we change to line chart, right? If we change to line chart, we would see from here, we have price tap into this zone. So hopefully, I would love to see sound rejection on USD CHF. Probably we could have a short buy up to this level. Nothing yet for me. No entrance yet. We are just observing this zone. Okay, we are just observing this zone because this is also under high level area. Okay, so your CHF, that is that for your CHF. We are still observing the market because market is currently on a very, very strong support level. Okay, so let's look at GBP USD. We look at gold, and probably we look at one more pay and round up this afternoon. GBP USD. Gold. You could give us any pair if you want us to. Want us to look for any pair for you. You could tell us. Euro AUD. Okay. Okay, so let's start from Euro AUD daily time frame. So for daily time frame, the momentum for Euro AUD is quite bullish, and I'm expecting price to react at this level, right? Because that is a high probability area. And if we look at 4 hours time frame, we would see that our market has created some kind of support to resistance zone. You can see that this zone was broken and we had a rejection moving to the top side. I mean, I would love to see because the market at the moment, this is a very, very strong downtrend, but we are in a retracement phase. So we need to wait for market to kind of react at a very, very strong resistance zone, right? So we have market reaction in here and change to okay, so I'm still very, very bullish on Euro AUD. I'm still very bullish on Euro AUD. So, but I'm not gonna have an entry here because you know I will expect a proper retracement for entry into the market. So Euro AUD is bullish, right? So I would just expect a retracement before I enter into the market. So for Euro AUD, right, we have this taking this height taking so this area. It's a very, very strong conservative area for me to place my buy entry. So I'm going to be patient for market to drop down to this level before I buy Euro AUD. Okay, so market is heading towards a resistance, and we need to be very, very patient before entry into the market. Let's look at gold. Okay, so looking at gold, and okay, so we have this as our high, right? And this is our low, right? And let's look at weekly, still the same. Okay, so daily time frame, I'm still expecting market to kind of retrace because we are still in a retracement phase, right? So we are still in a retracement phase. I'm expecting market to, retrace and fall, right? So we are very, very bearish on gold, but this movement is not literally a uptrend, it's just a retracement because I was expecting market to reject around this supply zone and look at 1 hour time frame, we would see that the market has created a sort of support or resistance pattern on 1 hour time frame, which if we change to candlesticks, we would see how market can react or reject to that zone, right? So what are we anticipating? I'm looking towards market get to 2667.70 region, 2667.70 region before I think of selling my gold. Okay. And one more thing again on 15 minutes time frame, we already spot some kind of a reversal pattern and which kind of sort of pushing gold up. But I'm very, very confident and certain that we are still going to have much more sellers coming in on board, right? So hopefully 2667 region is my high probability area for a proper sell on gold. So we just need to be patient and see how the market unfolds. The last one for this afternoon is GBP USD. Let's look at GBP USD on the daily time frame and change this line chart. I think we could also change the candlestick colors to PU prime colors. Okay, so let's look at that GBP USD. Same thing, same scenario. I'm looking towards a line chart, and we could see that market is rejecting a very strong, you can see support thumb resistance area. So market rejecting a support thumb resistance area, right? And you can see we have multiple rejections. So what am I expecting on a daily time frame? I'm expecting bias, right? On a daily time frame, but then on 4 hours time frame, we are currently on a strong resistance. So the support becomes a resistance area, and if we see a bearish structure, then we can take a sell for that. But if we do not see that, I'm still going to look forward to some bullish sentiment, hopefully to this level, 1.26900 region. So in a nutshell, we are in a strong resistance zone for GBP USD, and hopefully we could see sellers coming on board. Probably we could use a sell stop order and probably take this level as our TP1 and TP2 and all that. But at this level, I'd love to see a proper um market breakout. Taking out this low, taking out this low, and we could have something like this retracement, take out this low and fall. It could literally happen. So this setup is what we need to be extremely patient for before we place our entry. So the last one, somebody just sent an order in, GBP JPY, right? GBP JPY. So let's look at GBP JPY, which is the last pair I'll be analyzing this afternoon. GBP JPY. I mean, I saw this GBP JPY sell. I think I dropped it on Monday. The sell was kind of massive. And this is one of the reasons why I said we should sell GBP JPY, because there was support on resistance at that level, and markets is seriously heading to the downside. So for GBP JPY, we are quite bearish. For GBP JPY, we are quite bearish. We just need a short retracement before selling. So if you are buying GBP JPY, you are very, very wrong. The movement is kind of bearish. Okay, so you have a bearish sentiment for GBP JPY. Okay, so we have a bearish sentiment for GBP JPY. Okay, so I think that is that for this afternoon. I see market is still bearish. Market is still bearish, but I'm not going to enter at the moment because this movement, you see, this movement is a compressional move. So I'm just going to wait for market to show me a reversal pattern before I enter a short buy to this level before I take my entry. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting something like this. something like this, retrace and boom to the upside. That is what I am expecting for GBP JPY. I should recap Euro AUD. Okay. I said I am heading towards this 1.6262628 region for Euro AUD. So I need to be very, very patient. We are looking for market to go up before selling. So a bullish scenario. We need sellers to come in on board before we buy. And I said I'm looking towards this low, 1.61833, before entering and buy again. Okay. So that is just it this afternoon. Don't forget there is a news coming up by 2:30, and we're also going to drop updates for the Signal group. In the Signal group. So if you have not joined the Signal group, I will indulge you to do that, and so that you can enjoy daily profits and all that. Have a wonderful training day, everybody. Good afternoon.